Okay, so 1, 2, 3. And we are now recording using microphones via our cell phone and our Sony voice recorder. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing voice recording simultaneously using our Sony voice recorder and our cell phone with external microphones. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. Okay. So, palitan lang natin yung file name para sure. So, voice test using cell phone. CP na lang yan. Voice test CP. Okay. Ito, automatic naman nakasave na. Ang file name niya ay ayan. So, ang file name niya is 1812.18.0045. Okay, ngayon, lipat natin to sa ating computer para matest natin yung dalawang files. Okay, see you later. Guys, so ayan, nalipat ko na sa cellphone natin para mapakinggan natin ng sabay yung dalawang files. So ayan, ito yung file na galing dun sa Sony voice recorder. Nilagyan ko ng Sony sa file name. Oops. Para hindi nakalito. And then, ito yung voice test CP na alala nyo, yan yung sinave natin na file name kanina na nirecord natin gamit yung cellphone. Sony ulit. We are now recording using microphones via our cellphone and our Sony cellphone ulit. Are now recording using microphones via We are now recording using microphones. We are now recording using microphones. We are now recording using microphones. We are now recording using microphones via our cell phone and our Sony voice. Ayan. So, di ba parang walang silbi, di ba? Yung cellphone natin, kaya na niyang i-cancel yung noise.
Oh my freaking gosh. I can barely thank you enough. This recorder is about 99.9% the recorded voice on it is kind of amazing.